This is what we're gonna need for our zesty green beans. Okay, we have here 1 pound of sunburst potatoes, and that is that the potatoes are just different colors, and they are small, really small potatoes, but I still like to cut mine in half. I see a couple of them that still need to be cut. My husband cut these for me. So this is what we're gonna need, and I purchased these from Aldi's. Aldi's always have these sunburst potatoes, so we're gonna use that. We're gonna use 1 whole onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 orange bell pepper. If you don't have an orange bell pepper, you can use the red, the yellow, or the green. But I'm using this because I already had this. You're going to need zesty Italian dressing, and we're going to use about half of this bottle. I purchased this from Aldi's. It was really inexpensive. And before you use any kind of Italian dressing, make sure you shake it up, because the oil is going to the top and the rest of it is going to the bottom. So that's what we need. We need the bottom. And the reason I like to use this is because it has its own oil in there. All Italian dressings have their oil, and they are really good to saute with. So we're going to use this. We have 2 pounds of fresh green beans. These green beans have already been washed, and the ends have been taken off. So I just take the ends off like so. You can break them in half, but this is the size that I like mine. We're going to use salt and pepper and Mrs. Dash, and I'll tell you the measurements as I am adding this. First thing we're going to do, we're going to use a little grapeseed oil to kind of brown up these sunburst potatoes. I like my potatoes a little bit brown. Then we'll remove them from the frying pan, and then we'll go ahead and saute our bell pepper, our onion, and our green bean, and then we'll add everything back together and go ahead and use our zesty Italian plus all our seasoning for this delicious dish. So let's go ahead. I'm going to cut up the vegetables, the onion and the bell pepper, and then we'll be ready to go. Okay, family, we have our frying pan on the stove, and we're not going to cook these green beans in a pot. We're going to do the frying pan. So we're going in with about a couple of tablespoons of grapeseed oil. You can use any oil that you would like to use, but I'm going to use grapeseed oil for this, and we're going to let this get hot. Okay, family, let's go in with our potatoes, and we're going to let these just saute just a little bit, y'all. We just want them tender before they go into the green beans. So let's go ahead and let them cook. Put the top on for about 10 minutes, and we'll come back and check on them. Let's check on our potatoes. They are coming along nicely. We will put our seasoning on these when we get them. I don't want to double season, put seasoning on these, then turn around and put seasoning on the green beans. No, I want to season everything together, because sometimes you come up with too much seasoning. So we're going to let these cook a little while longer. Okay, family, our potatoes are going to be ready to take out in about 2 minutes. So I'm going to take them out, and then we'll start on our green beans. Okay, family, I reduced the heat, so we're going in with our green beans and dressing. Let's go in with 1/2 cup of Italian dressing. So That's about a half bottle. And make sure that it's shook up really well. Tablespoon of vinegar. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of Mrs. Jazz. We're going to let this reduce down, and then we'll come back, and I'm going to add a couple of packs of, can you see this, y'all? A couple of packs of butter to this. We're going to let that cook down. We're going in with 1 teaspoon of garlic. I didn't want to put the garlic in first because we know for a fact that garlic will burn. Okay. See all that goodness down in there, y'all? These are going to be some delicious green beans. So let's go in with our potatoes now. Back in with the potatoes, and they can finish the way cooking. Okay. They'll finish cooking with the green beans. And when I took them out of the skillet, I just wanted to brown them just a little bit. So we're going to put the top on this and let them kind of steam down. I like crispy green beans. I just don't like real soggy green beans. Okay, let's put the top on. Okay. Okay, family, let's go ahead and check our green beans out. See what they're doing. They are cooking. See all that goodness in the bottom? That's our seasoning plus our Italian dressing. And these beans are saturated in that. And y'all, these are going to be some delicious, delicious green beans. We're going to give them a few more minutes and they will be ready to go. Zesty green beans. And if you wanted to throw you a can of diced tomatoes over in these green beans, that would be good too, just a suggestion. Okay, family, our green beans are ready, just the way I like them. So we're going to go ahead and plate these up and make sure you keep them kind of turned so every string bean can get into that delicious dressing. So these are ready, y'all. They are ready to go. The potatoes are tender. They're ready. Okay, family, let's go ahead and plate up some of these delicious green beans. You ready, hon?
Yeah. Okay.
So let's go ahead and these are cooked just like I like them. So let's go ahead and plate up some so we can give them a taste. Make sure we get some of these delicious sunburst potatoes in here, y'all. They are so good. And remember, I said you can get these from Aldi's. Okay. Okay. So I like to have a tomato with mine. Let's have a couple of tomatoes with this. And there we are, y'all. Our delicious potatoes and green beans. The potatoes are delicious. They are good. Y'all know I had to taste. So let's go ahead and have a bite.